Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.9% during the session. The stochastic indicator's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The last session saw gold drop 0.7% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair dove 2.9% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
China has ramped up purchases into its oil reserves this year, even as oil prices soared despite calls from Washington for a global coordinated stocks release to help cool the market. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson announced that the UK government will freeze assets of all major Russian banks and block Russian entities from raising money on UK markets. The Biden administration and its European allies vowed to block Moscow's access to its sizable foreign currency reserves in the West, teeing up one of the most powerful financial penalties.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 14:45 GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 GMT. Australia's retail sales at 0:30 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of MFG Index will be released at 21:30 GMT. Finland's GDP at 600 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 15:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.